Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this ASUS. First of all, you need to open two apps in the background. I will go with YouTube and Play Store. Now click on the square button and tap on the icon of your app. From here you need to click on Split Top and click on the other app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to switch placement of them, you can do that by clicking on this little icon. If you wish to go back, just click on this line here and swipe up. Then choose Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!